So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the quarterly revenue of a stock here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, I want you to go select a stock of your choice. So for this demonstration, I'll just use Nvidia stock right here for this example. So to go ahead and press on that. Once you're on the stock of your choosing, simply just scroll down to the very bottom to where it says financials. And for me, income statement actually is appearing, but you'll see income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Go ahead and press on the income statement right here to get the drop down. And if you want to view the quarterly revenue, simply just go ahead here and make sure that quarterly is selected. So if you have annual right here, as you can tell, revenue is in blue, net income's in yellow. But if you go to quarterly right here, you can kind of check the per quarter basis right here. So right now, we have April 2025. You can see the revenues in blue, 44.06 billion, and the net income is 18.78 billion. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how you guys can view the view the quarterly revenue of a stock. You can also go down here and check it out right here. But how you guys can view the quarterly revenue of a stock on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.